The Erie County Water Authority is extending the temporary water restrictions in the South Towns at least 2 more days. Good evening, I'm Mary Alice Demler.
And I'm Adam Benini. The restrictions were originally supposed to end right now at 6 o'clock. But the Water Authority says the repair work on a water main break at its treatment plant in Derby will take longer to fix.
Our Dave McKinley is digging deeper into what the problem is and the impact of the extended water restrictions. He joins us live now from Hamburg.
Hamburg, one of several communities in the South Towns that are affected by this. Again, a restricted water usage as requested by the Erie County Water Authority. Now, since the get-go of this situation, which began with a leak of a main supply line from their Sturgeon Point water treatment plant down in Derby, they were quite upfront in saying it was going to be a big job to repair it. They'd have to dig down 20 feet to get to that pipe, and also along the way deal with electrical conduits, which were also buried in the ground. Yet when we spoke to him yesterday, the executive director of the Water Authority did set the timetable, which it turns out may have been perhaps too ambitious. Are we talking days here to fix this?
We hope to have this finished by sometime tomorrow afternoon, but you know, there could always be unforeseen circumstances that occur.
And there was. In a statement, the Water Authority said removing high-voltage electrical utilities buried over the leak area caused several unique challenges. The protracted electrical work has caused an unanticipated delay. The Water Authority has said despite the leak and the task at hand to fix it, no one would be left without water, but asked that customers in affected areas conserve so as not to strain the system. For most, that'd be a minor inconvenience, no lawn watering or car washing, but even yesterday, some raised the specter of the impact it might have if the work was not done by tonight.
We have the Erie County Fair starting on Wednesday, and that's part of the area that's affected, and that uses a tremendous amount of water.
And now with the restrictions in place until at least Thursday, that situation has come to pass at the fair, which opens tomorrow, where most all water use is essential. There's livestock to be washed and watered.
In the next 24 hours, we've got over 1,000 animals coming to the property.
Toilets to be flushed and hands to be washed.
But when you have 1 million people that are going to be coming to the fairgrounds over the 12 days, you know, there is some water usage. But we're conserving where we can.
This was a big break, but the Water Authority averages about 4 breaks per day along its entire system.
I think it goes to show that there needs to be a constant updating of infrastructure. Infrastructure costs a lot of money.
Do you have enough funds to maintain the system you have?
Right now, we estimate if we were to replace all of the just the cast iron pipe in our system, it would be about 600 miles worth, and the cost would be about $1 billion.
Oh, are you telling me that people should just expect this system to break down on a daily basis?
It's going to happen.
We can't have this every year.
We are spending a lot of money on infrastructure, and going forward, that's what we intend to do.
Now back at the fair, where officials tell us there's really not a lot of conservation measures at their disposal, they also predict it will have no impact on the opening or the ensuing fun at the annual Erie County Fair. In Hamburg, Dave McKinley, Channel 2 News.